Hello, this is Dieter for SiteManager.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a database list to your website and how you can manage your database in the Visual CMS. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a blog page to our website. All right. We're going to add it like this. As you can see, the page is empty and we're going to add our blog grid to the page. So we simply drag and drop it here. And here you will see that you will be able to set up how the list is visually rendered. So you select the category that you want to show. You select the filters that you want to take into consideration, like you want it to be published, for example. You can change the order, so we're going to order it by date, and then you can change some settings in how it's displayed on the screen. So you can select how many entries are shown. So if you select 0, like we're going to do, it's going to show all entries from that query. And you can, if you select something different than 0, you can add pagination to the page, and you can also select which page the database is referring to. So in this example, we're going to refer to our blog page. So we click Save and we close our panel, and you will see that we have an empty database here. You can start adding blog articles by clicking here, or you can click here and go to the database management itself. As you can see, our database is empty. There's no records found. We can change our categories, filters, and list fields here. But for now, we're gonna add our first article to the database. So we click Add to Database. Here we're gonna select to which categories our blog is used in, and we're gonna select the published filter to yes, and we're gonna add a page title and a description. Here is our order list field, so we're going to use date. It selects the date of today, so we're gonna say that's okay, and we're gonna go to Save, Start, and start editing our first article. As you can see, there's a setup here, so that means that our blog has some fields that we need to add first before we can continue. So here you can write in some data that's going to be used depending on how many languages you have. So we're going to click Save, go back, and start adding our entry for the database. So we're gonna select blog example 1. We're gonna paste some text here like this, and we're gonna change the date, and we're gonna upload a file, a picture file like this. And here is where we can click to edit our detail page. So as you can see, you can build a detail page using a lot of components that are built for the blog. In this example, we're just gonna add some text like so. We're just gonna paste some lorem ipsum, click Save, and now when we close our panel, you'll see that the first blog entry is shown in our Visual CMS. When we click the Read More button, it will automatically open the form to make changes. One of the cool things that you can do in databases is make copies. So in this example, we're going to make some copies of this blog example. We're going to create 2 more. So now we have created 4 copies from the same block, just to give you an example of how it might look like. So this is how our blog looks. Now we're going to publish it. So when we go to our blog page, you will see our 4 examples. And when we click the Read More button, the detail page will be shown. That's how you edit and add databases to your website using the Visual CMS. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please contact us. See you in the next video.